Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's question is the first published completed DNA genome sequence was of, and you have to choose between these 5 bacteriophages. Bacteriophage meaning the virus that infect bacteria, and all these viruses are specifically infect bacteria and have the smallest genome. And some of you maybe choose answer E, and would be correct on part because this was the first genome that has been sequenced, but the problem is that this is RNA based genome and our question about DNA based genome. And maybe this picture would help some of you to choose the correct answer. What we see on this picture here on the right is a picture of the virus, but very few would be able to tell the virus just by its appearance because most of the virus look alike. And here on the left we see Nobel Prize laureate Sanger. So on this picture, on this film, we see the whole genome of this bacteriophage, the phages-174. Bacteriophage is a virus and was the first DNA-based genome to be sequenced. This work was completed by Fred Sanger and his team in 1977. Another Nobel Prize winner, Arthur Kornberg, used this bacteriophage as model to first prove that DNA synthesized in a test tube by purified enzymes could produce all the features of the natural virus, ushering in the age of synthetic biology. And in 2003, it was reported by Craig Swenter's group that the genome of the phages-174 was the first to be completely assembled in vitro from synthesized oligonucleotides. The phages-174 virus particle has also been successfully assembled in vitro. Just imagine that we can sequence certain genome of the bacteria or virus and can send this information via internet and on the other part of the planet, or it can be even on the orbit. Someone can just synthesize bacteriophage. Why it is important? Imagine that bacteriophages, in other words, the name stands for bacteria eaters. So these bacteriophages are viruses that specifically infect bacteria, and say on the orbit where cosmonauts present, they would need certain antibiotics that they don't have, but they would be able to synthesize these bacteriophages that are going to kill certain bacteria, and so will save life of cosmonauts or spacemen. Our answers, you see, would be answer C. The first published completed DNA genome sequence was of phages-174 phage. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.